Fine. This is the second problem. Let us start solving this. Right. It is also similar to the last problem only. Only thing they have little bit explained. Right. Let us check out here. A man borrow rupees 20,000 for the house maintenance, which is given by him in 2 years at 10% per annum. What is the total amount paid by him after 2 years? This is the question they asked. Now we are supposed to find what? Amount. Let us check out with this. What they have given? They have given principal, right? Principal P, that is P is equal to 20,000 rupees, right? And as well as what is the time? Time they have given, that is 2 years, right? And as well as rate of interest is 10% per annum, right? So we are supposed to find amount. Amount is what? So we know that, see, amount is equal to what? Principal plus interest, right? Right. And as well as what is interest? So you should know the formula for interest. Simple interest is equal to what? P T R by 100. First we are supposed to find the simple interest, then we are supposed to add that interest to the principal so that we will get the amount. Let us check out with this. Right, simple interest. Let me calculate first simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P T R by 100. P, what is P? That is 20,000, right, into time is how much? That is 2 years, and as well as rate of interest is 10%, that divided by 100. Now simplify it. So here I can simplify. 10 ones are 10 tens are, so 10 we got it here. 1 0 1 0 I can remove. So the total interest what he got it, right, he is supposed to pay is 2,000 into 2, which is going to be 4,000 rupees, right? Simple interest is supposed to pay 4,000 rupees, but the question what they asked is we are supposed to find amount. See here, what is the total amount paid by him after 2 years? The amount, we know that amount is equal to principal plus interest. What is the principal? That is 20,000. And what is interest? Interest is how much? That is 4,000. Total amount is supposed to pay is 24,000. You need to add this and this. That is 24,000. Answer here is C. Hope you understood.